Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I have something quite interesting for you guys. It's another airdrop video, and this time it's the Toshi Coin Airdrop over at toshi-coin.org. That's toshi-coin.org, where you can claim around 2,300 US dollars worth of Toshi. That's right, guys. I have claimed around 2,500 US dollars personally just 20 minutes ago. Now keep in mind I have used a very active wallet, and if you want to maximize your earnings from this airdrop, you need to use an active wallet, as this airdrop's rewards are based on your wallet's on-chain activity, unfortunately. So yeah, just make sure to use an active wallet if you want to maximize your earnings. Now all you have to do is click on the claim airdrop button and to connect your wallet. Whatever wallet you use will do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. 20 minutes or so, the coins will be in your wallet, and that's it. Now, Toshi hasn't been doing so well recently, but that's obviously attributed to the fact that the entire crypto market has crashed in the past 2 months because of the tariffs and everything else that Donald Trump has been doing. However, I think we will bounce back as always, and especially coins like this that are not too big, they always have a lot of volatility. So just one random day could mean the difference between you getting 2,000 US dollars or around 4,000 to 5,000 US dollars. You can easily get a 2 to 3x off of whatever you claim from this airdrop in just a couple of days if everything goes right. However, I would honestly recommend that you hold on to these coins for at least a month before swapping them or selling them for whatever you prefer, because honestly, devs have been putting in a lot of work recently to make sure that Toshi stays afloat and that Toshi stays relevant in this space, and I honestly think we could be in for another bull run of Toshi, and I'm hoping for it, and I'm rooting for it. Now, once again, guys, all you have to do is head on over to toshicoin.org. That's toshi-coin.org. Don't forget the dash. Click on the claim airdrop button and connect whatever wallet you use, and that's it. That's literally it. That's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in the next video.